Hi, I'm Miss Chris, and this is Pugsley. In honor of June being National Cat Adoption Month, we are going to show you how to make 3 different toys and see how much him and Wednesday, who's hanging around, enjoy them. For our first cat toy, you need a dowel, some ribbon, some bells, and some feathers. You're going to start by cutting different size pieces of ribbon. This is the end of the roll, so that is the length we're going for. And you want them to be different sizes. So we've got 3 different size ribbons. And we are going to take them and we're going to just tie them onto the end of the dowel. And it's okay that you're gonna have this little bit of extra. You want that because you're going to tie on some bells. On the opposite end, you're going to take a couple feathers, tie a knot, and you're going to do that on all 3 strings. This next one, you're going to use some items that are varying size circles, trace around them. You're going to need 2 of each size. Now you're going to cut out all the circles that you just drew. You can use scissors, an X-Acto knife, box cutter, whatever you feel safest with. You should use that. And this is double layer cardboard, so I'm cutting through the top layer of cardboard, but not the bottom one. That way I do not ruin the table that I am leaning against. Once you have your cardboard shapes of varying sizes, you're going to poke a hole through the center of each one. I'm using a sharp compass to do this. No, it makes a bigger hole and is easier to thread through. A pencil. You've already got a guide hole. Then you're going to thread your ribbon or your string, and from smallest to largest, and then midway through. You're making something that might have once met a ball. It's not going to be a perfect shape unless you are really good at cutting out cardboard. But it's okay, because you're not getting graded on it. Your cat will love you no matter what. Or be indifferent to you. Depends on which one. Wednesday does not care. Pugsley will love me for making him something. So we're going to make a chunky knot. Another option for a cardboard tie is to take 2 small circles, cut to the center. This one is way easier. Cut to the center, and then take those 2 slits that you have, and slide them together. Bam! You have a ball. Hi, I'm Miss Chris, and this is Pugsley. In honor of June being National Cat Adoption Month, we are going to show you how to make several cat toys. And he is ready to go! Hi, I'm Miss Chris, and this is Wednesday. In honor of June being National Cat Adoption Month, and cats specifically, we are going to make some cat toys.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.